How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1965 Pontiac GTO. This is a true GTO. It's got PHS documents, done in its factory Montero Red. Super cool car. I got this car down south. So all the headlight bezels, the grills, everything excellent condition. The front bumper's been re-chromed. Just a cool car. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. It is an older restoration on it. The paint looks real good. Got a few small chips and things that have been touched up, but just a very cool car, very solid car. They did a smoke tint on all the glass. The rear tail panel applique and the tail lights are the originals. They're in decent shape. Rear bumper looks like it's been re-chromed. See how nice and straight it is down the sides. It's got the Rally 2s on it and the PMD center caps. It's got not the original 389, but it is a 1965 389. It's got tri-power on it, the power steering, power brakes. Got updated aluminum direct fit radiator with the correct shroud and everything. The jams all look real nice on the car. Interior's been redone. It's got the factory tach gauge package. Tach all works. Headliner looks real good. The seats have all been reupholstered. New carpet. It's got the Muncie 4-speed. Limited slip rear with 323 gear. Boxed lower control arms and rear sway bar. All inside the trunk looks real nice. Got the spare and everything there. You can see the PHS documents. It's got a retro direct fit AM/FM stereo with iPod capability. The deluxe floor mats. They did front seat belt upgrade. So it's just a cool car. Again, it's a 389 tri-power 4-speed. Choke and everything works. Got nice duals out the back with the splitter tips. I tell you, the thing runs perfect. Supposedly, per the previous owner, the motor had been rebuilt. Nice dual exhaust on it. It's not real loud. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.